Thanks for visiting Iris Cooks. Today I would like to share the perfect sugar cookie recipe. They melt in your mouth and they're just perfect for decorating with royal icing. So let's jump straight into it. Just a few ingredients are required: sugar, vanilla essence, flour, butter. It should be a room temperature and should be really soft. Orange zest, but this is the optional. 1 egg, baking powder and pinch of salt. Straight in a bowl, I'm adding a butter along with the sugar, and vanilla essence, mixing it all together. Once sugar and butter combined well, beat it with a hand mixer for about 3 minutes until it becomes creamy consistency. But don't overbeat, we are not making a buttercream. Now it's time to add orange zest, egg, baking powder and salt. As I mentioned before, orange zest is an optional ingredient. If you like the taste, you can add it. If you not, you just skip. Again, beat it for 30 seconds till the egg incorporated with all the gradually add the flour with 2-3 additions. Once all flour is added, mix your dough with your hands until it's well combined and doesn't stick to your hands. Eventually, you should get the dough consistency like this. It should be soft. Once the dough comes together, divide it into 2 equal pieces and we will roll each piece separately. Roll the dough between some cling or plastic wrap. Keep the dough covered with a plastic wrap and leave it in the fridge to chill for about 2 to 3 hours. After 2 to 3 hours, remove the dough from a fridge. It should be really hot. So now it's time to cut the cookie. Cut the cookie with your preferred shape. Place them on a tray. I'm still going to use the leftover dough. I will roll it out again and cut out more cookies. Bake the cookies in a preheated oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes. The cookies are delicious. You can enjoy them the way they are or decorate with a royal icing. Don't forget to check out the description box for all the ingredients. And if you would like to learn how to decorate cookie with a royal icing, I will leave another link in the description box with a link to cookie decoration video. Thank you for watching. Bye.